PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock predictions for Tuesday and onwards. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be breaking down my exact play with block power, and is the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos like this, documented them all. It's taken me 5 years. It's all on my YouTube channel. I've seen what's printing me money and what is not, especially in this thing here. Yeah, I quite like this. Well, you know, it came down to my demand zone. I wanted to see a double break. I sort of saw my double break right taking place. Well, not really. Like, should really be breaking above 139, 140-ish for this second one, because this is like really about to pull the price down. But like, to be very frank, it's, if it does reach beneath like certain points at around 129, 129, 128, then that's going to be recorded as a -1R, because this confirmations got met. I do have previous receipts with block power, you know, with 30 results popping up. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free mails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, Ninja.